It's actually pretty cool. You got two. You can pop these pins out here, which are spring loaded, and the bottom pod will drop out. The bottom of the pod, I mean. Man, looking in the shadows. And right there. Two more. Good thing I'm a skinny guy. Not. It's, oopsie, I dropped that one. It's not the most convenient of things to access this pod here, but you know what, it gives you some valuable, much needed cargo space, storage space. And all I really do is I put my wintertime emergency gear in there, sleeping bag, you know, first aid kit, you know, food, rations, and stuff like that nature. Okay, got this one over here. Bring the light. Can't really see it too well. There we go, she's in there. Clip that bastard on. These are the same pins that are used for the wing pins. Okay. And when I got this, it didn't have any latches on it, so I had to put the latches on. And okay, I still have to paint it. I haven't painted it yet, but that's life. Eventually, I'll get to it. I guess I can get my gear and throw it in there now. Where it is, I don't know. Oh, I think I see it. It's up there. That's maybe I can reach it without getting the ladder. Nope. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't take a chance. Oh, I got a bucket here I can stand on. Not the preferred method, but good enough. So, what I got in here, for sleeping bag, actually I think there's two sleeping bags in there. Sole warmers for your boots, TP, spare bungee for the front cable. I got some spikes for the ice. I forget what else is in there. I'll go through it towards that time. Let's just see if I can ramrod this in there. So I think I loaded to the back. I think I gotta do it this way, actually. I gotta do it like this. That's right. The thing's sort of egg-shaped.